Disney friends, it's Amber with Mickey Travels. Let's talk about mobile ordering and the importance of that during the new guidelines that are happening at Disney World. First, you're going to want to make sure that you've downloaded the My Disney Experience app on your phone. You're going to want to open the Disney World app and proceed to order your food. So I've recorded what it looks like to do a mobile order, so follow along and I will give you guys some feedback on what that process looks like. Stay tuned.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Once you open the app, locate the plus sign at the bottom and click Order Food. From there, options are going to pop up in order of where they are located to your current location. So the first option here will be Pop Century, since that's the resort we are staying. Scroll through and locate the location you want to order your food. More than likely, it will be the first choice if you are next to the restaurant. We're going to click on the Riviera Resorts Quick Service. Select the arrival window. You have various choices. And then once you've selected that, the menu will pop up in different categories to show you what is currently available. Once you click on an item, you can choose the quantity, click the add, and then proceed to continue shopping or go to your cart. So sit back and browse with us as we look through this menu quickly. Some entrees will require you to choose your side, so be sure you notice that at the bottom under the quantity where it says select your side, otherwise it will default to the first choice. If you purchase the refillable mug at your resort, you can also add that to your cart here as well. Remember, that is only if you are dining at somewhere that is a Disney resort, not in the parks. If you're just wanting a beverage, you will also have to mobile order these as well. You will not be able to walk up to locations that are only doing mobile ordering. When you are finished with your order, click on View My Order, and you'll get a summary of everything that you've added to your cart. This is where you'll double check for any duplicates and to make sure any sides and beverages have been added correctly. At the bottom, you can modify your order or review the order, and whatever card has been saved on file through your My Disney Experience app will be the one that will charge. You are able to change that card if you don't want to use the one on file. Once you click purchase, it will submit the order, and then you'll receive a graphic like this that shows the come back arrival window time. When you get close to the restaurant in between this time, your screen will change to this, and you can click on I'm here, prepare my order. While preparing, your screen will look like this, and when ready, we'll change to this. You'll receive a notification via the app, and your phone will buzz if the app is open. You will then proceed to the front of the restaurant, where someone with an iPad will be checking to make sure that your order is ready, and will then allow you to enter the restaurant. You'll proceed to the area where the items will be bagged, and then if you are getting a beverage, will then be sent to that location. Here at the Riviera, it was right next to where the table was to pick up your food. At Pop Century, your food could be picked up inside the main food court, but then beverages were off to where the refillable stations normally are. There are cast members there that have to fill your drinks for you, including the refillable mugs. The refillable mugs will be located near your main food court at your resort. The cost is $19.99 for the length of your stay. With many restaurants closed currently, we did find that we ate in our personal food court often, and that sodas being $3.50 each time, the refillable mugs were definitely worth it. Once inside the restaurants, tables will be marked that if they are open or closed, and social distancing is being observed everywhere. We found that many of the guests at the resorts just took their food to the room and barely had any issues finding places to sit inside these restaurants. I hope this brief tutorial was helpful for you. Just know that mobile ordering is going to be a thing of the future and will be happening often at the Disney parks at various locations. Familiarize yourself with the app and practice mobile ordering if you need to. Have a magical day, and feel free to contact me if you're interested in using my services for planning your next Disney trip. Bye!